Alright guys, our other video was the first video about this 4Runner. We picked this one up, it was rolled. The guy had ended up fixing the roof, putting a new roof on it. Pretty much got it almost finished and then decided he was gonna move on to something else. He ended up putting brand new Toyos on it. I mean, they're brand new. They're a little muddy now, so you can't really tell, but it's got a brand new rough country lift that we're gonna be pulling and parting out. Reason I bought this because my 4Runner, the interior was trashed. So all the seats in this one was in really good shape. So we pulled the seats. He also threw a hood scoop hood on. So we're putting that on. Tires are 33, so those are going on there. And a little bit of other little parts that I needed here and there, but the rest of it's all getting parted out. The motor's smooth, transmission smooth, transfer case works, lift kit's getting parted out, front end parts, differentials, rear end, just pieces of the inside. Hopefully doors will be gone, but that's why we bought this one, was to fix ours up and hopefully make $1 on it. But all right, we got the 33s on. Got the stocks waiting for somebody to come get them. On the parts ride, we got Brennan's tires on. We'll probably be selling them soon. Got them on in case I want to move this thing. I haven't decided if I want to start pulling everything apart right here, or if I want to put it in the shop and start pulling things apart. Because once I start pulling the front end out, I'm not going to be able to move it on gravel, so I haven't decided. But that 33's on. I'm really not liking these wheels. Like, they look fine with the 265s, but now these wheels, I don't know if I like them or not. I may try to find some stocks and put on it. I don't know, I just don't like the wheels. But couldn't put the driver's seat in. Won't be able to put the back in, the passenger either. Should have went ahead and put the back in, but I had to get these tires off so that this person can come by them tomorrow. But the seats, they had different plugs on them, so I've got to go do some research and see what it's going to take to get them working, because that was the whole point in buying those seats, was to be able to bolt them in and everything work like it should. And I really wanted to wire up the heated seats, so got to look that up tonight and see what's up on that. But we're waiting on wheel spacers to come in, because 265s, they were close. With 33s, you can't even drive it. I mean, there's no way you can drive it like that. They're rubbing. It's gonna have to have wheel spacers. But definitely makes it taller. It makes it look a little meaner. Look at there. Professional. What we're trying to hit first.
do it super hard.
What?
Just don't press it super hard.
Should be good. It just feels so wrong painting something that's already painted.
Yeah.
That fender?
I went over this one pretty good.
Ended up getting the hood and the fender put on. Touched up a few spots that were scratched up. Some spots missed on the back. While we had the spray out, we just touched up all the fenders. But we got the seats in, they're wired up. Now we got heated seats and cooled. Deep in the original plug and just put them into the factory seat harness that we needed. And then rigged up some stuff here for the heated seats. So that looks disgusting. But now we have all the plugs to plug back into here for the windows, the extra power. And like I said, we just used the prongs and tied into a hot to get another hot for the heated seats. So next we got to wire up this switch and the winch switch, and we should be good to go. We got this fender painted. We have the hood now painted. I've got to get the insert piece for the hood scoop. But fender's painted, hood's painted, mirror's painted. We touched up all the scratches that were on the fenders while we had the bed liner out. Also, we got the seats in. This seat was a little wore, but a lot better than what these were. So every other seat was in good shape, but this one was a little wore. But we got all the, well, battery's dead now. We got all the power working, got the heated seats working, and we just took the factory wire harness and just depinned it and put it into this seat.